Hi, my name is Caitlin Corzow, and I'm a program manager at Microsoft. Today, I will be going over how to use the Azure Advisor REST API to remediate all of the recommendations that Azure Advisor has to offer, while giving you the flexibility to customize how you receive these recommendations and integrate them into your support applications. As background, Azure API Management provides a REST API for performing operations on selected entities such as APIs, users, groups, products, and subscriptions. The API can be used with a common test utility such as Postman to test the Azure Advisor REST API's capabilities. I want to review how the API structures the recommendations so that I can then push these recommendations to a Contoso IT ticketing application. To do so, I will begin by opening Postman and entering the information needed from my subscription. I will use the API to generate the recommendations for my subscription. This call returns a brief description of the recommendations and how to remediate each recommendation. Seeing that there is a high-impact recommendation, I will call the API to retrieve the details for all of the recommendations. I can then use this data to customize what gets pushed to our ticketing system so that Azure Advisor recommendations automatically generate service tickets without ever needing to go into the Azure Advisor UI.